Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is a vlogging series, rambling series we do every week on Wednesday. Please subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. Leave it down in the comments if you want me to talk about certain things. I beat Starfield not that long ago. Um, I'm not going to do really a review on it. There was a lot of cons than pros in my opinion. This game is basically for someone that really do like high-end sci-fi ship battle building and stuff like that. I might go back to it just for the mods, but other than that, it did not keep me engaged as well I wanted to. Like Boulder's Gate, I was engaged for like 3 to 4 days straight, and I beat the game with 80 to 100 some odd hours for it. If you want to see the gameplay, it'll be an ANA Let's Play down below for it. Um, but I give this game a 6 out of 10 in my opinion. Like I said, it's just me. It just did not really engage me. I really never really liked space exploration, like No Man's Sky, or or like sci-fi looking thing like what you call it, like cyberpunk. Never really liked it. I tried and dabbled with it, but it just never got my attention for some reason. If I was younger, probably. It's just I'm not really liking to build and decorate a lot of things. In my opinion, I just rather buy it and play it. And the world, even though the planet, is supposed to exploration. I wish they had a car. If they had like a rover in these planets for your ship, it might be a lot better, but there's no rovers. I know there might be mods for you to get in and do it, but 6 out of 10. I don't know. I think Baldur's Gate 3 is going to win Game of the Year, in my opinion. And I don't doubt it as well. There's more games coming up in the following months to come that we are going to be, I will be playing. Like Daisegia 8, I believe, and Star Ocean R2, the one they remastered, remake for Star Ocean 2 for the PlayStation 1, and so forth. So we'll see how it goes for that. Those were the games I kind of grew up on, like Star Ocean, that I would be very happy to play, especially on the Switch. For Patreons, we are going to get a lot more Patreons up on the channel just to look at for the STLs. Right now, when I upgraded my computer, everything else, I did not save the list, so I have to salvage and get some of the stuff back. A lot of Patreons that you used to look at in the past several months closed down due to the fact that no one's buying their product to help them stay afloat. So they just want to keep their regular full-time job, and their experiment went down for that as well. I don't personally buy a lot of Patreons due to the fact that if I buy every one Patreon that I really like, um, I'll be broke. So we are going to be dialing. I'll be hopefully do collabs and do painting videos for them. We did a few in the past, but you know, I work on a fixed income, so I can't really buy stuff. And with the fixed income, everything else is expensive. My income still stays the same, so it's very difficult for me to do things. So we have two new primers that we're using now for our future videos. That's probably towards like December. I started use on the video I scheduled for. Is the Pro Acrylic Black and White. Um, it's I used homemade primer from my friend, but I think these are a lot cheaper. They're $4 a bottle, and I could use the black for the cover and the white for the zenithal for it as well. I do like pro acrylics a lot, and I'm going to probably buy more pro acrylics later on down the road. And the speed paints are phenomenal for it. I know you'll see some shorts later on down the weeks. I'm getting all the shorts and regular painting videos just to be scheduled due to the fact that I can have a little bit of free time of doing other things as well. So these are what's been primed by those and painted by acrylics, pro and speed paint from Army painters as well. So I am doing mostly props, terrain pieces, um, for just to have more of them because I have plenty of characters and monsters for it. And one day we might do a bigger ones, pretty much down the road. I believe November will have bigger prints that we're going to be painting on the shorts, but you won't probably see them till like next year when the video is scheduled for it. We are going to try to do a lot of moss covering and terrain covering because I need to make several terrain boards with the foam I have. I'm trying to get a good camcorder with a big arm, overhang arm, so you can see a down view, probably by 12 by 48 inch foam that will be cutting in and doing terrain pieces for that as well. Due to the fact that we are advancing into several tabletop style game, and also I can use it for Warhammer and other war mini tabletop games as well. We are going to be doing for 440K. We are going to be doing the Dark Angels and the Chaos Space Marines for the War of the Soul Forge King. I might butcher that name. That's where we're going to be doing the painting for those soon after I'm done with the D&D session. After, when they're all done, we'll be working on orcs. We have a lot of orcs, and there's a lot of orcs I do want to print, especially from Puppet Master, because I have the files for the orcs as the Ghostbuster. I will do really want to do it for the Halloween for next month and print them out so we could do some orcs for shorts for October. People paint orcs in October, so I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done so we could do some orcs. I might just do orcs instead, doing the Dark Angel, the Chaos Space Marines. I don't know what I'm going to be doing, but if you guys give me an idea if I should do orc first for October for the shorts or the Dark Angel, the Chaos Space Marines, let me know down the bottom in the comments. Everything's chucking along. Everything is fine, I will say. We still have boxes of freaking miniatures that we got to build and paint after I'm doing all this. And we'll be moving offices as well. You probably won't see the new office till the beginning of next month. This office will be going into Ashley's art room that she's not using anymore. She'll be in there for painting, and we'll be turning this into a storage room for all our D&D miniatures and Warhammer miniatures that we have and we need to take care of. And there is a lot that we need to take care of, and we're trying to get everything done at the same time. Well, anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out the links down below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.